Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my review on this new launch from Cuffs and Lashes. So Cuffs and Lashes actually launched their eyeshadow palette. So basically they launched two palettes. One is their eyeshadow palettes, which is this one. This is their That's So Me 32 color pressed eyeshadow palette, and they have launched one more palette in which you get eyeshadows, blush, contour and highlight, like full face palette. I didn't get that one. I got this one, in which you get 32 pressed eyeshadows. So in today's video I'll be sharing my review about this palette, and I'll be creating this look what you see here. Also I'll be swatching all the shades, all the 32 shades on my eyes. So yeah, if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So this one is That's So Me 32 color pressed eyeshadow palette by Cuffs and Lashes. So Cuffs and Lashes is a brand of Nidhi Katiyar, who is also a YouTuber. तो ये Cuffs and Lashes जो वेबसाइट है, इस पे आपको मोस्टली अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, एंड दे हैव देयर ओन ब्रांड एज वेल, जिनमें काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. दे आर एक्चुअली इंक्रीजिंग द प्रोडक्ट लाइब्रेरी. रिसेंटली उन्होंने उनका ब्रश सेट भी लॉन्च किया था, जिसपे मैंने ऑलरेडी एक डिटेल रिव्यू शेयर किया हुआ है. I'll mention that video here and in the description box, so if you are interested you can check that. And recently they launched two palettes. First palette was this one, in which you get 32 eyeshadows, and the other palette, that is a face palette, in which you get blush, contour, highlight and few eyeshadows. So I didn't purchase that palette. I was not intrigued by that palette, but I really liked this one, so I got this palette. So the MRP of this palette is 1799 rupees, but I paid 999 rupees for this palette. They have like 40% or some discount on this palette, so this is they are selling for 999 rupees. The quantity is actually not mentioned anywhere. I checked on the website as well. They have not mentioned the quantity, how much you get in these eyeshadows. They have not mentioned that anywhere. On the packaging as well they have not mentioned. So the shelf life of this eyeshadow palette is 3 years. So it doesn't come in any kind of outer packaging. There was a plastic cover on it, which I removed, and this is how it looks from inside. So the inner packaging of this palette is really beautiful. It comes in this very nice olive green color, and on the back all the details are mentioned, like all manufacturing details and expiry details, and everything is mentioned on the back side. So this palette is actually made of wood. ये जो part है ना, ये cardboard नहीं है. This is actual wood. And now let me show you how it looks from inside. So there is a plastic film here in between, and this is how it looks. You get this very beautiful 32 shades in this palette. It's kind of a rainbow palette, like you can see the color scheme of this palette. It's kind of a rainbow palette, and you get all kind of shades in this palette, like orange, pinks, reds, greens, blue, purple, brown, black, everything you will get in this palette. And ये जो पूरा palette है, this is made in India. Every part of this palette is made in India. जो outer part है वो भी made in India and made of wood. और जो ये pans हैं, ये जो अंदर जो pans हैं, eyeshadow pans, ये भी actually made in India है. So that is a really good thing about this whole palette, because everything is made in India, and this is totally cruelty free and paraben free. So that is again a very nice thing. So this palette has this magnetic closure. So as you can see, it closes like this. So it has a very nice magnetic closure, which is really good if you are traveling with this palette, because आप इस तरह से आपका palette ना spoil नहीं होगा, अच्छे से बंद रहेगा, खुलेगा नहीं if you are traveling with this, and this will be very safe. Also it's very compact palette, and you're getting many shades in this very compact packaging, so that way also it's very travel friendly, and you can actually create so many eye looks with this palette. So when I got this palette, I actually swatched few of the shades on my hand, and honestly those swatches were not good. The colors were not pigmented, उतने अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे थे eyeshadows, so I was really disappointed. But then I thought sometimes क्या होता है ना, कुछ eyeshadows swatch अच्छा नहीं करते हैं, like when you swatch those shadows they won't look good, but when you apply those shadows on your eyes, actually they will perform really well. So I thought कि instead of giving you hand swatches of all these eyeshadows, I'll give you eye swatches. So yes, I have swatched all the shades, all the 32 shades, all these 32 shades what you see here, I have swatched each and every shade on my eyes. This way I was able to test actually each and every shade on my eyes, and you'll get to know how these shades perform, how each and every shade in this palette performs actually on the eyes, because I can create only one or two looks in a video, and that way you actually can't see how all the shades perform. So I thought this will be a good idea to swatch each and every shade on the eyes. So that's what I did. So let's see the swatches of all these 32 shades on my eyes.
So I'm starting with this shade Bling. It's a matte shade, and as you can see it's not highly pigmented. So I had to build up this shade. So I applied this shade 2-3 times, and then I was able to build up the color with this shade. There was no fallout with this, and I didn't see much kickback as well. And this shade was very easy to blend. Next is the shade Exclusive. It's a sequin shadow, which means it's a matte shade, but it has little bit of shimmer to it. It's a very beautiful shade. It applies really easily, and it has a very good pigmentation. And I didn't have to build up this shade. It was very nicely pigmented, and it is looking really beautiful. Next is the shade Warm. It's a very beautiful transition shade. Again, it's a matte shade. So with this one as well, there was not too much of a kickback or fallout. But this is again not highly pigmented, so you will have to build up the color with this shade as well. But it was very easy to blend. So next is the shade Wild. It's a little dark shade, so the pigmentation of this shade was better than the other matte shades, but still it is not highly pigmented. You will have to build up the color with this one as well. जिससे इसका pigmentation थोड़ा better था बाकी shades से, but it was very easy to blend and there was no fallout. And yeah, it's a very good crease shade and a shade for outer V's to give a depth to your eye look. Next is the shade Boss Babe. So this shade was very less pigmented. I think you will be able to get more pigment out of this shade if you use a white base. Otherwise, the color doesn't show up much. I tried to build up the color with this shade. I applied this like 3-4 times, but still I was not able to get a very good pigmentation out of it. And it was easy to blend and all, but the color was not showing up that much. Also, I saw a little more kickback with this shade. Next is the shade Shy. It's a warm orange shade, and it is a very good grease shade. Again, this performs similar to the other matte shade in the palette. Like it's also not highly pigmented, and it's easy to blend. Next is the shade Reckless. It's a very nice transition shade, and it performs again similar to the other matte shades in the palette. Next is the shade Loud. It's a very nice peachy pink shade, and this is a little better pigmented than the other shades. So but still you'll have to work with this to get a good pigmentation out of it, but still the pigmentation is better than the other shades, and it looks really beautiful. Next is the shade Love. It's actually less pigmented than the other shades in this palette, other matte shades. The shade is beautiful, but it doesn't show up much. I tried to apply this shade like 3-4 times, still it didn't show up much. So I think if you use a white base under this shade, it might look better. But without the white base, it doesn't show up much, and you'll have to put a lot of effort to get a good pigmentation out of it. Next is the shade Sassy. It's a really beautiful shade and it looks exactly like it looks in the pan. ऐसा नहीं है कि apply करने के बाद shade अलग दिखेगा, but it looks exactly like it looks in the pan, and pigmentation अच्छा है इसका और easily blend भी हो जाता है, and you can easily build up the color with this shade. Next is the shade Mastani. It's a really beautiful metallic shade, and you get a good pigmentation out of this shade in single swipe only, and you can easily build up this shade, and it's a really beautiful shade. It's one of my favorite shade in the palette. It looks really beautiful on the eyes. Next is the shade Furious. Again, it's a really beautiful shade, and it's a little unique as well. You don't get this kind of shade generally in the palettes, and this is also pigmented really nicely. एक ही swipe में काफी अच्छा pigmentation मिल जाता है, and it looks really beautiful, and you can easily build up this one as well. Next is the shade Sweet. It's also a satin shade, but it doesn't show up as good as the other satin shade in the palette, like the shade Exclusive. That shade had really good pigmentation, but it doesn't have a good pigmentation. I tried to apply it 3 4 times, still I couldn't get a good pigmentation out of this shade. The color is really beautiful, but it doesn't show up well on the eyes. Next is the shade Witty. This is also a satin shade, and it also is not highly pigmented. So it works similar to the other shade which I swatched just now, the shade Sweet. This also I tried to apply it 3 4 times, but I couldn't get a good pigmentation out of this shade. This is again a beautiful shade, but it doesn't show up well on the eyes. And yeah, it's not highly pigmented. I tried with my fingers as well, as you can see, but I couldn't get a good pigmentation out of it. Next is the shade Savage. It's also a matte shade, and it matches exactly with my skin color. So you can use this shade to set the concealer on your eyes, or to apply all over your lids to just prep the eyes before any eyeshadows. Next is the shade Dreamer. It has better pigmentation than the other matte shades in the palette, but I was expecting this shade to be a little darker. But yeah, it was easy to build up and easy to blend. Next is the shade Playful. This again works similar to the shade Sweet. So the pigmentation of this shade is not good. It's less pigmented than the other matte shade. This also I tried to build up. I applied 3 4 times, but I couldn't build up the color with this shade. And honestly, this was not looking good. Yeah, maybe with white base it will look better, but without that it was not looking good. So next is this shade Crazy. This is again a metallic shade, and this one actually matches exactly with the other metallic shade Mastani. दोनों का ही जो कलर है वो काफ़ी मैच करता है एक दूसरे से, एंड दे बोथ वर्क्स इन अ सिमिलर वे. इसका भी पिगमेंटेशन काफ़ी अच्छा है, एंड वन स्वाइप you'll get a good pigmentation and it looks so beautiful. Next is the shade Puzzle. This is again a metallic shade, but this one is little less pigmented than the other metallic shades in the palette. And with this one, you'll have to work a little bit more. Like you can see, I'm trying to apply this metallic shade. Like I applied 2 3 times, but I couldn't get that good pigmentation. Like other metallic shades were applying better than this one. I tried with my fingers as well, as you can see, but the pigmentation is not that good. Next is this shade Calm, again a metallic shade, and this shade is really beautiful. The pigmentation of this shade is good. You get a good pigmentation in a single swipe, and this is one of my favorite metallic shades in the palette because it looks so beautiful on the eyes. Next is the shade Complex. This is also a little less pigmented than the other shade, but with the white base, I think you'll get a better pigmentation out of this. It was easy to blend in all, but the pigmentation was not that good. But it's a beautiful shade, and it will work as a really nice transition shade. Next is the shade Obsessive. Again, a beautiful matte shade, and the pigmentation of this shade was also good. It was very easy to build up the color with this shade, and it's very easy to blend as well. Next is the shade Kali. Again, a beautiful shade. It's kind of a peachy pink shade and it looks beautiful on the eyes. इसका pigmentation भी ठीक था and it was easy to apply, blend, and yeah, this looks beautiful on the eyes. Next is the shade Moody. Again a matte shade, and the pigmentation of this shade was better than the other matte shade, but I was expecting this shade to be a little more darker. Otherwise, it was easy to apply and easy to blend, and the pigmentation was good. Now the next shade is Earthy. So this shade is again a matte shade, but this was going on little patchy and it was not as dark as I was expecting. And I tried actually with a different brush as well, like you can see here. I tried with different brushes, but still it was going on very patchy and it was difficult to work with this shade. Next is the shade Mesmerizing, and I faced the same issue with this one as well. It was also going on patchy, like you can see here. I again tried with different brushes for this particular shade as well, but it was very difficult to work with this, and I couldn't make it work. Actually, it was going on very patchy, and it was very difficult to blend. Anyway, these kind of shades, like these dark shades, are difficult to make, so I think that was the issue with this particular shade and the previous one. These were going very patchy. Now the next shade is Hypnotic. This again had the same issue. This was also not easy to work with. This one also was going very patchy and the color was not showing up well. It is supposed to be a dark shade, but it was not showing up well, and it was very difficult to blend this shade and make it work. Now the next shade is Spicy. This is again a metallic shade, but the pigmentation of this shade is not that good. It is not as pigmented as the other metallic shades in the palette. The shade is beautiful and all, but it doesn't show up well. I tried with my fingers as well, but I couldn't get good pigmentation out of this shade easily. I had to apply this shade 2 or 3 times to get a good pigmentation. Next shade is Influential. So this is a matte shade and it was working really well. It was not as dark as I was expecting it to be, but it was not patchy at all and it was very easy to work with. बहुत easily blend हो जा रहा था and it was quite similar to the other brown shade in the palette. Next shade is Rangili. It's a very beautiful copper shade. Again, the pigmentation was not that good, but it was easy to work with this shade. You'll have to apply 2 or 3 times to get a good pigmentation out of this shade. But the shade itself is really good. It looks so beautiful. Now the next shade is Nasty. This is again a metallic shade. It's a golden kind of metallic shade. Again the same issue with this one as well. इसकी pigmentation भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है. You'll have to work with this, but you'll be able to get a good pigmentation with this. You'll have to apply this like 2 or 3 times, but you'll be able to build up the color with this shade as well. And this also looks really beautiful. Now the last shade is Freak. It's not a jet black shade, it's kind of a grayish black shade, but the pigmentation of this shade is good. It's better than the other matte shades in the palette, and it was very easy to blend and all. It was not going on patchy at all. It was easy to work with and easy to blend.
So those were all the swatches and I hope those swatches were helpful for you. Now let's talk about this palette. So you get this 32 shades in this palette and the color scheme of this palette is really good. It's a rainbow palette. So you're getting very beautiful shades in this palette. You get shades of reds, orange, green, blue, pink, purple, brown, and like you are getting very nice range of shades in this palette because you're getting 32 shades. Also you get a combination of matte, metallic and satin shades in this palette. So the matte shades in this palette are not highly pigmented. You won't get a good pigmentation in single application. You'll have to build up the color with all these eyeshadows, all the matte eyeshadows, but they are easy to build up. आपको थोड़ा सा effort करना पड़ेगा, but you will be able to build up the color with these eyeshadows. And blendability के साथ कोई issue नहीं है, बहुत easily ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं आई शेडोज, जस्ट दैट दे आर नॉट हाईली पिगमेंटेड. तो आपको 2-3 बार लेके आई शेडो लेके आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा एंड ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा, बट दे वोंट बी पैची एट ऑल. आपने स्वॉचेस में देखा ही, मैंने एक्चुअली 2-3 बार शेड्स को लेके अप्लाई किया है and they were not looking patchy at all. These eyeshadows are very easy to blend. There are a couple of shades which were little patchy, like few darker shades in this palette. So these shades, especially this column, like this and this shade, these were little patchy. These are darker shades. So ये जो purple and थोड़े से इलेक्ट्रिक पिंक काइंड ऑफ शेड्स होते हैं, दे आर लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू मेक. तो इन ये जो आई शेडोज थी ये थोड़े से पैची थे व्हेन आई अप्लाइड इट ऑन द आईज. बाकी कोई भी आई शेडो के साथ मैंने कोई पैचीनेस ऑब्जर्व नहीं करी. केवल ये जो डार्कर शेड्स थे, दीज वर लिटिल पैची. Now about the metallic shades. The metallic shades in this palette are really good. They have a very nice creamy texture and they give you very nice pigmentation on the eyes. मतलब the single application only you will get a very nice pigmentation. You'll have to go like multiple times to get a full coverage, but in single swipe you'll get a very nice pigment of these metallic eyeshadows on the eyes. And I applied all these eyeshadows with dry brush only. I didn't wet my brush. और dry brush के साथ भी जो metallic eyeshadows हैं उनका pigmentation काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा था. I tried few of these metallic eyeshadows with my fingers as well. तो fingers के साथ भी अच्छा pigmentation आ रहा था, but with dry brush as well I was getting very good pigmentation. I think केवल 1 या 2 shades हैं जो उतना ज़्यादा pigmented नहीं थे, like these shades, these 2 shades, ये जो है, these were not as pigmented as the other metallic shades in the palette. बाकी सब shades काफ़ी अच्छे से pigmented थे और सब काफ़ी creamy भी हैं. And this shade here, this was a less creamier than the other shades, but overall जो metallic shades है ना वो काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करते हैं. Now you will see kickback with all these eyeshadows in this palette. किसी eyeshadow के साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा kickback मिलेगा आपको, but overall सभी eyeshadows के साथ मुझे kickback दिखा. And it also depends on the brush you are using. Sometimes कुछ brushes के साथ आपको ज़्यादा kickback दिखता है, तो that might happen with this eyeshadow palette as well, but kickback तो सबके साथ है. So you'll see the kickback in the palette, but the eyeshadows are not very powdery, so you won't see a lot of fallout. So whenever you are taking the shadow, just tap off the excess and then apply it. This way you won't see any fallout. कुछ shadows के साथ fallout दिखा मुझे, और 1-2 metallic eyeshadows के साथ भी I saw a little bit fallout, not like crazy fallout, but that's fine actually. You can just do your eye makeup first and then your face makeup. So this way you won't spoil your makeup. तो but anyway fallout इतना ज़्यादा है भी नहीं palettes eyeshadows के साथ. So this palette is very travel friendly. Firstly because of the magnetic closure, and second it's very compact. So you can see the size of this palette, right? It's very compact and you are getting 32 eyeshadows in single palette only. तो अगर आपको ऐसे colorful look create करने हैं and you are traveling, you can totally take this palette with you. एक ही palette के अंदर आपको सारे तरह के shades मिल जाएंगे. So it is very travel friendly. And if I talk about the price of this palette, I got it for 999 rupees. अगर MRP की बात करें तो MRP तो थोड़ी ज़्यादा है इस palette की, but इस पे डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. I think it will sell for that much amount only. So in 1000 rupees you're getting this palette and you're getting 32 eyeshadows in this palette, which is a really good deal. जो ओवरऑल जो क्वालिटी है पैलेट की वो काफ़ी अच्छी है, लाइक पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी है एंड पिगमेंटेशन उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट यू कैन ईजिली बिल्ड अप द कलर. तो परफॉर्मेंस जो आई शेडोज़ की है वो काफ़ी अच्छी है, एंड यू आर गेटिंग this good quality product in 999 rupees. Also it's made in India and cruelty free. So if you consider all those things, it's a really a good price for this kind of palette. So I would totally recommend you guys to try this palette if you are looking for such kind of colorful palettes. And this is available on Cuffs and Lashes own website, and I guess it will be available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. I'm not sure, but if I'll find the links, I'll mention in the description box. You can check the description box for the links, but it's easily available basically. So now let's see how I created this look using this palette. So overall it's a really good palette. I was actually not expecting this palette to perform this good, and when I swatched it on my hands I was really disappointed. But जब मैंने इसको अपने eyes पे swatch किया और जब मैंने ये eye look create किया तो I could say कि this palette actually performs really good, and you can totally check it out. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and this idea of swatching all the shades on my eyes. I hope you like this idea, you like this video, and this review was helpful for you. So if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.